How to use location based optimize charging on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting scroll down, click on privacy and security. Now here scroll down, you will see first option is location services. So click on location services. So first of all, turn on location services button. You will see so app store, calendar, camera, Chrome, find my, Google, home and anyone. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can use location based optimized charging on iPhone 17 Air Pro. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.